Okay, today on the CJ7, we went from this to that. Well, more to do. Bye. Red. Well, it's a rainy day. I got a little bit of time to kill. And I really want this back fender on this Jeep. Gone back and forth quite a few times, and ultimately I just want to sit on the back of the Jeep hanging out eating lunch, and that is like one of my ultimate things that I'm looking forward to, and I can't do that if I don't have a back. I'll do the same thing with this. Make a mark at 5. There. I'm at 49. And half of 49 is going to be 25. 24 and a half. That's my center arc. I do the same thing up top. Measure it out. So I got some center lines now. And then I need to find the center line of this. This is 35 and a half. Lining that up. Okay, so a little progress. What I have here is the basic outline of the cutout I'm going to have for the back tailgate. Put a wood in for some bracing right here because I don't want it to sneak in. My goal is to cut this out and get it flush. Figure out where the bolt holes are. From what I can tell, it runs right down the edge here on both sides. So I'm going to cut that out. And then I'm going to have to build something in the back. I'm thinking some 1x1 stock kind of bolted here. I was planning on putting like a metal plate right here anyways to give some strength to this, to where the tire holder holds, and the back tailgate, because I really want to use a back tailgate. Also, when I flip it over and I do bracing, I want to put bracing on the bottom under here, because it's not going to be just opening and closing and putting all the weight on the fiberglass. I know that's not a good idea. But we can see where it goes. And last chance to not cut this out. But I really want to just sit on the back of this thing and eat a sandwich. I just go drive someplace, sit on the back, enjoy the view, And I'm not doing that without a tailgate. I want a tailgate. It's just something iconic about it. I'm going to make it work. Good cut. Got that one wrong. Got that one right. We have it installed. It's kind of where I want it to be. I really messed up right here, and I am so pissed at myself. This side came out perfect. I love the gap. Grind a little bit down right there. What I want to do is I want to come in here, and I'm going to put some 1x bracing right here. And I think I'm going to shoot that right down through the floor into the bracing that I'm going to put behind here. So there's going to be some bracing behind here. I think I'm going to shoot that one line up there. It's going to come up to here. I want to pull something going across here and tie it right into here. So like this thing is going to be one metal unit. Same thing on this side. I'm going to have to put something right here because I have to figure out how to put the hanger on. But I can't tell you how much I feel better. I've been going hemming and hawing, and I've hated that back thing. I've hated it. But it's there now. It's in. Decision made. Okay. Talk to everybody later. Bye. Well, this is what I did. This is actually the bracket that I just kind of pulled. I cut the welds out and I pulled it out of the metal Jeep. I kept all the tabs, and I'm actually just flipped this one around. I'll show you how this is going to fit. Kind of fits right in that slot like that, and it's going to come around. So it's got a lock there, and that's how that's going to fit on that 1-inch angle iron. When you want to weld, but you don't want to change out of your flip-flops. Okay, what you're looking at here is a bracket that I made. So I got some angle iron, some flat stock, another extra bracket, and all of that is going to go right there. And that is going to be my support for this. Kind of cool.
Much later.
Okay, let me show you what I did today. So this is a fiberglass tub, and I decided I wanted a tailgate in my fiberglass tub. Behind this wall, right here, is a huge piece of angle iron that's actually tied into the support, directly tied into the mount right here. So this and the mount are all one assembly. So I have actually full confidence that the hinges and it'll bear weight. I also have some stuff over here that mounts it up there. But when I cut it, I didn't cut straight. And it has been bothering me since the day I cut it. You know, it's one of those learning things.
The next day.
Okay, let's see how this came out. But it looks nice and straight. The other side. Okay, looks like I need to take some sandpaper to things. Okay, it's hard to tell from this video, but it is all completed and put back together. This is a picture I took with my dad. It kind of shows the gaps in there. Once it's painted, it really came out nice. I was very impressed. And the reason why I put so much work into this tailgate. Here's Cameron at our very first car show eating food truck food. And here's again sitting in the back of the Jeep with her friend watching a drive-in movie. I want to thank you, and as always, enjoy life.